We got here the two Suzuki 115. For me, this is like the best boat for the price. Getting two motors. The 2023. This is a 23 feet, 9.96 beam, 110 gallons fuel capacity. This is super cool, guys. Super cool, super nice. You can feed 2, 4, 5 people in the back, two driving. You have in the front special. Look, you got your storage here. Huge storage. You got your SIM rack. It is, guys. I do like this boat, guys. I do like this boat. Look at the space here. Look at the space. Look at the bow. You got two people sitting here. You can have more people sitting here too. Let me show you the storage here. You got plenty of storage. Obviously, this plastic cover attached here in cover, and then look all the space that you have here, guys. This is incredible. Incredible, guys. Two motors. Look at this. You got two motors here, and it's not any motor. Are Suzuki. Two 4-stroke Suzuki 115. And look, guys, the price is only $84,699. You only pay $521 per month. So this is the Clearwater.